Hello, apologies for the bad mic. I lost my headphone mic on a plane. But this is an explanation of my Excel Winrate template asked for by Gunfar in the pre-modern Discord. Um, I built it on normal Excel, but this shows it works on the free Excel online. This is an Outlook and it doesn't have 65, as you can see. So this link here will be in the video description. You can copy paste it in right here. Download as XLSX. Open. Well, you don't have to open if you don't have Excel, right? But just to show it works in the online Excel thing. I don't know how to say this. I don't use the online version often, but let's say I open from this device and I'll put in the thing I just downloaded. Here it is. So on this first tab, decks, right? Just type in whatever decks you have. Like you can delete mine. There's no worries to it. Like delete this. I built Tinker Chat for a friend. So let's say you have Terrageddon. You want to track Terrageddon, and you have Winrate, right? I don't know why these are. Sorry, I think I made an issue. Maybe if you want to get rid of those, you can delete those or something. Or like change the name here. Like if I change the name Storm to anyways, to use it, you click insert row above. You can put in Terrageddon. There's a little drop down. It'll have a drop down of everything you have in your deck names. And let's say I lost row 2 against black white control. It auto updates this as a loss, 0% win rate. So I did it today. And auto updates all these as well. You look over here, and now you have 2 games played, 1 match, and you're 0-2. You can also, if I put in another one, say another Terrageddon game, but I win 2-1 against Madness. It's a win, whatever. You see 40% games, 50% wins, and so on. You can use these filters. Maybe, I don't know, here we go. Let's say I want to see how I do against Sly. Against Sly, it looks like I'm losing, right? I'm 1-2-1, I have a 25% win rate. It has draws enabled by default, but if you draws will show up if you do not have two enablers. Actually, I might change the template to be for whichever one is greater, rather than whichever one is just 2. But yeah, I'll currently whichever side you put as 2 is that, but I'm going to change it to this is greater than, and I'm going. I will get this ironed out before I upload the video, but yeah, I think that's about everything. Right, you can change it to be. If you want to look at how am I doing on Madness? Great, I'm winning on Madness, and you can see the same stats over here for the most part. That's about everything. Good luck.